what's this? Good afternoon. It's very late lunch. Ito, we'll try this Kamali Garden Cafe. This is along Marcos Highway. So after lang the what's this? Burger King Marcos Highway. So sige. Tingnan natin itong Kamali Garden Cafe. So open sila Monday to Friday, 10 AM to 9, Saturday and Saturday. Sa amin, Saturday and Sunday, 7 to 9. Okay. This is the main entrance. Going there. See? That's why. It's garden, diba? So, bungad mo. Oh. Ayan, oh. Main cafe. Garden 2. Silong, meaning maliit na garage. Garden 1, palikuran, and the other one here is Aling Nena. Okay, if I'm going left, this one is going to the cafe. See? Harden, ganito, yung harden nila na silong kung tawagin. Motif, Christmas, of course. And then go here inside. Sorry, wala pang tao ngayon. Tindahan ni Aling Nena pala. So that's why there's tindahan ni Aling Nena there. See? And then ito yung pinaka-cafe. Okay? Diba? Ang ganda. Right? So, ganyan. Mga salukot, ganyan. Mga native talaga. So, this is it. Diba? And then paglabas natin, let's go to the dito kasi open. I mean, may ano naman, parang alfresco effect. Tapos this one is the main cafe, main entrance naman. Slide to open. So surprise inside. Ooh, there's a aquarium with the turtles. See that? Ayan, no? May mga turtles. Diba? Down there. See? Diba? Pagbungad dito sa loob. Wow. That's why Kamali. Diba? Kamalig means kubo-kubo with mga natives na mga nakalagay ng ganyan. See? But this one here inside aircon, malamig siya. So, you see that? So, ayan taas. Mga native talaga. And then, lahat luma din. I remember one restaurant in Marikina. See? The table. Diba? Display here. See, nice. Diba? Nakakapis pa yung mga bintana. Cabinet, luma. Also here. Diba? Ganda. May banga pa sila. Classic, mga antique. Remember these days. Remember those days. Ayan. Since Christmas, ang decoration nila. Ayan. Sige, pakita ko sa inyo what is Kamali. This one. That's the Kamali. Okay. TV, mga luma. Mga black and white na mga Kodak na mga litrato. I mean yan, mga pictures, luma. Diba? You see the electric fan, luma din. And that's 3D. Stainless siya. Diba? See?